Welcome to TKT course by Teacher Teresa, Module 1, Part 3, Background to Language Teaching, Unit 17, Practice Activities and Tasks for Language and Skills Development. Key Concepts and the Language Teaching Classroom. Key Concepts and the Language Teaching Classroom. Read these tips and mark the ones that matter most to you. When choosing practice activities and tasks for language development, the teacher decides whether learners need controlled, freer, or free practice, and whether the focus should be on accuracy or communication. This decision depends on the learner's level, the language being taught, the lesson objectives, and the learning context. In selecting practice activities and tasks for skill development, the teacher identifies which skill or sub-skill to target. The choice is guided by learners' needs, lesson goals, and the type of task that best supports comprehension and interaction. Using different kinds of activities helps balance accuracy and fluency, while targeting specific skills and sub-skills. A mix of controlled, freer, and free tasks provides varying levels of support, guiding learners from structured practice to independent use. Varying activity types such as gap fills, role plays, jigsaw tasks, or surveys also keeps lessons interesting and dynamic, targets different learning goals, and allows learners to practice language and skills in different ways. In a well-structured lesson, activities are usually linked, so that learning develops in a logical sequence, moving gradually from simple to more complex tasks. Each step naturally prepares learners for the next. This step-by-step approach reduces mental load, recycles target language, keeps learners motivated, and provides clear points for feedback. There are several ways to link activities in lessons, and these are a few examples. Language-focused lessons. Presentation, controlled practice, freer practice, free production. Lead-in, task, presentation, further tasks. Skills-based lessons. Warmer and/or lead-in, comprehension activities, tasks, post-task activities. Comprehension activities for receptive skills, listening and reading. Usually focus first on the general idea or gist, then move on to sub-skills such as finding details, understanding cohesion, making inferences, and noticing text structure. They then focus on the language used in the text, such as vocabulary, grammar, and useful expressions. Example 1, a listening skills lesson. Lead-in, introducing the topic of the listening, and pre-teaching key vocabulary and expressions. Comprehension tasks, listening to the recording and answering true-false questions, to understand the main idea, listening to the recording again and filling in a table with specific details. Post-task activities, discussing the content of the conversation in pairs and sharing personal opinions. Example 2, a topic-based skills lesson. Lead-in, introducing the topic, and pre-teaching key vocabulary and expressions. Tasks, listening to a conversation on the topic, reading a related text. Post-task activities, discussing the topic and/or highlighting useful language, writing a short summary of the topic. This type of lesson, called an integrated skills lesson, combines different language skills, with each activity building on the previous one, allowing learners to practice skills in a connected sequence. See Units 19, 20 and 21 for planning activities for lessons, and Unit 27 for language useful to the teacher for carrying out activities. Thank you.